In front of me is the tablet 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by opening your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top right corner. Then tap on any of those themes to apply the best one. I will pick this one. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and then hit apply at the bottom right corner. As you can see, the theme of my keyboard has changed. To customize it instead, tap on the same color palette and this time choose this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!